Residents of Bhadrak district are facing severe hardship as the long-pending Chandabali-Kandha road project remains incomplete, turning the 5-kilometer stretch into what locals describe as a death trap. The road which connects Chandabali Kali temple to Kandha stadium has been in a deteriorated condition for months, raising serious concerns among daily commuters. The project was launched in 2023 with an estimated cost of Rs 7.40 crore and was scheduled for completion in 2024. However, even after the deadline, the work is still unfinished. The stretch is now covered with loose soil and sand, creating heavy dust pollution every time a vehicle passes. Visibility drops sharply, making travel risky for motorists and pedestrians. Locals say the dust is so intense that it often becomes difficult to breathe, especially for school children and two-wheeler riders. Residents have urged the administration to complete the project without further delay, saying the prolonged neglect has disrupted daily life and increased accident risks. Despite repeated complaints, there has been no official response from the district administration so far. Commuters now hope for urgent intervention to restore safe travel conditions on the road.
4 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଏ ରାସ୍ତାଟା ମରାମତି ହେଇପାରୁନି, ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲ ଖୋଳାଇ ପଡ଼ି ରହିଛି। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ଯେ କନ୍ଦା ଠାରୁ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କାଳୀ ମନ୍ଦିର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବହୁତ ଅସୁବିଧାର ଲୋକ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି। ମେଡିକାଲ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବି ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ହଇରାଣ, ଡେଲିଭରି ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ହଇରାଣରେ ବି ଏଠି ଯିବା ଆସିବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ୟାର ମରାମତି ପାଇଁ କାହାକୁ କହିଲେ ଆମ କଥା ଶୁଣିବ, କେହି ତ ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମ କଥା।